no one can stop your confidence. You can do anything at that point. You are superwoman or superman. Whichever one you want to be, you can be it, okay? You run from nothing, dog. Get your soldiers. Tell them they ain't laying low. Oh, he ain't laying low. They feel like the aesthetic is your face got to be clear. Your skin's got to shine. Your lips got to gloss. Your eyelashes got to be so long. You know, these are aesthetics that, you know, us women have done to each other. We make each other feel like we are supposed to be shaped like this. We're supposed to smell like that. We're supposed to look like this. We're supposed to have these type of hairstyles. Like, and if you don't like those things, you don't need to do those things. As long as you love, you are comfortable, you wake up with motivation, you wake up feeling all right, you wake up feeling beautiful. As long as that's all that matters to me. I don't care if I get thicker or thinner. As long as I'm waking up feeling like I'm the best version of me, I ain't worried about all that. So if you're picking up what I'm putting down, if you know, you know. If you don't, you should know. Building confidence. We're going to be building confidence, especially when we have acne. We're going to be building confidence because it seems to me not a lot of people are, you know, confident with their acne. You just see their makeup done, their makeup done, their makeup done, their makeup done. How about I see some acne? How about I see some acne scars? How about I see your natural face? That'd be nice. I did do my eyebrows a little bit. Don't judge them, but I did them so you can, you know. See, I'm trying for effort, but I made sure y'all could see my acne scars. I want y'all to see the real me, the real deal, okay? The real deal, the real deal. Acne, I've had acne for 15 years now. This year will be 15 years, officially. And I'm very used to it. I'm very much used to it. I've owned it. I've taken it on. I fully have accepted it. I finally understand what it means for me, and I appreciate it. Honestly, I know it sounds corny, but I appreciate it. I want us to start normalizing. I want us to start normalizing acne, imperfections, flaws, you know, the things that we don't see on social media. I want us to start normalizing that. I want us to start normalizing it because I don't see it too much on the internet. I see everyone's face is looking, you know, put together, you know, real good, which I love. You know, I like to do that sometimes too, don't get me wrong, but I want to see some realness, and I want us to have confidence behind it. I want us to have confidence. First, we're going to talk about my story. So a little backstory about me and my acne. So I want to do a little backstory about me and my acne. I've had acne for 15 years. This year will be 15 years. I found out my acne was hormonal. It is hormonal. Usually if I get on any type of birth control or anything like that, my acne clears up, but I don't want to be on medicine to clear my skin. So guess what? I'm rocking with it till it goes away on its own, which it may never do that, but I'm okay with that, and I hope you are too. Because I don't want to take medicine or anything like that, I wanted to learn how to, you know, make it a part of me, make it, you know, have it, you know, show me how I'm different, but in good ways. Show me that I wanted it to help me give other people confidence in themselves on, you know, they don't have to wear makeup or they don't have to have the perfect skin to, you know, be a catch. So that's a little bit about me. Yes, I finally accepted my acne. It is a part of my confidence. I don't see it as something that holds me back from the things I want. I see it as just another part of me. And just like, you know, your hair, your nails, acne is just a part of my skin. I've accepted it, and I don't let it affect me in any department of my life. If you're new to this channel, my name is Crystal Kelley, and if you're not new, you know, you already know the drill. Dap me up. So we're going to be talking about how I became confident with acne and just confident in general, and how you will be too. You know, don't forget, I didn't forget you. I didn't forget you. We're not doing that here. First, we're going to talk about what confidence is. My definition of confident and confidence, you know, tomato. When you own who you are and nothing or nobody can take that from you. For me, with having acne, I believe I'm definitely confident with my acne and everything, because I don't need to look like everybody else to know that I'm beautiful. I wake up every morning knowing I'm beautiful. I don't need I don't wake up in the morning going, oh my God, like another pimple, or oh my gosh, like my chin. I don't look at myself that hard. I know I'm God's creation and I'm the best creation, you know. The things that are not perfect are the best creations of God's. It's, you know, and it's up to you to understand that and accept that about yourself. And it's what makes us different, unique, one of a kind. You can't find another person looking exactly like me. They may look similar, but I'm me, and this is what makes me me. And these are the things that, you know, make me me, and that's what I love the most, and that's what makes me confident. But then with, you know, acne and everything like that, because it's original, it's different, it's not the traditional clear face, pretty look, da-da-da. I am pretty, I am beautiful, and I have some imperfections, but I don't see it as imperfections. I see it as just another form of skin. And until some people really understand that within themselves, that these are things they cannot change, or they can change but just not immediately, you know, you got to understand, you got to love it first. You got to love it for what it is. Take it or leave it, you know. And if you try to leave it, you know, it's going to come back and bite you. So I want to talk about 7 things that help me build confidence, you know, involving acne, and, you know, just in general, confidence in general. Things that help me not look at acne as such a big problem in my life for the past, you know, 15 years. You know, things I've practiced doing, things that just worked for me, you know, and I really do hope it works for you. I'm pretty sure it will. So take these notes. Here, let me get you a sticky note. You're welcome. These are going to be like random things. Not everything has to do with acne, but I did just want to share my acne story with you guys, because this is something that is very visible for other people to see. And I wanted to talk about that so you guys can really understand that I am not perfect, and I do have confidence within myself. It's not no fake it till you make it. It's true confidence. And I really want everybody else to have the same amount of confidence or more, because we all deserve to be confident within ourselves, within our skin, with who we are. And I believe true confidence, you know, makes somebody who's very much a 2 or a 3 on a scale look like a 9, you know, because they're confident with who they are. They know what they stand for, and, you know, they take on everything that they are. And I think that's the best thing about people in general. So 7 things that I've done. The first thing that I've done to build confidence within myself in the past years is, you know, these are like very minimal things, but these are things that have helped me in different departments of my life. First thing that I practiced and I've done to build confidence is walking in heels in different locations. Now I know this sounds very random, like very much random, but I love heels, and I feel that some people use heels, they try to categorize heels for certain events. And I don't care if it's an event, I don't care if it's going to Walmart, I don't care if it's going to CVS, I don't care if it's going to the gas station. If I like to dress a certain way, I like to dress a certain way. I like to be presentable, and that's just something that I've always loved to do. So me walking in heels in different areas, it makes people stare at you. And the more they stare at you, the more you know you're being different. You're accepting who you are. You're owning who you are. You don't need approval from other people. And to me, that builds confidence all the way around. So if you're picking up what I'm putting down, if you know, you know. If you don't, you should know. The second thing I've done to practice confidence is going to the gym. Going to the gym is not for everybody, but, you know, it is for me. The reason why I chose going to the gym to help me build confidence is because if you love what you look like in the mirror, you don't gotta love the face, you don't gotta love, you know, your teeth, or, you know, but if you love at least the way you look, the way you know, the shape of your body, or the way you feel, then no one can stop your confidence. You can do anything at that point. You are Superwoman or Superman. Whichever one you want to be, you can be it, okay? Going to the gym has really helped me out with confidence. You know, it just, you know, you take care of your body, the way you present yourself when you show up in a room, and you just know that you love what you look like, you own what you look like, you are in charge of what you look like. It's just another thing that just helps build confidence. If you don't like going to the gym, that's also fine too. As long as you are comfortable in your skin, whether you're thicker or you're thinner, whichever it is, as long as you're comfortable in your skin, that's all that matters. As long as you love and you are comfortable, you wake up with motivation, you wake up feeling all right, you wake up feeling beautiful, as long as that's all that matters to me. I don't care if I get thicker or thinner. As long as I'm waking up feeling like I'm the best version of me, I ain't worried about all that. So the gym for me helps, but for other people, if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you, as long as you're comfortable within your skin. The third thing that I practice to build confidence is walking out the door without makeup. I do that all the time. If I'm not making a YouTube video, more than likely I'm not wearing makeup. I like to wear makeup here and there. I really do. I like just the moment where you get to just work on something. It's almost like art. When I was younger, I used to be into art sets and stuff like that, and just drawing, outlining things. And like, to me, makeup's like the same thing. You get to draw on yourself. Honestly, that's really what it is. You get to fill in things and just seeing what you're capable of, and then you practice and you get better, and then you look at your reflection like, wow, like you look like a different person. Something about that transition, and I love transformations, something about that is just really nice to me. But when you're able to walk out the door without makeup, when you're able to walk out the door not looking perfect, and you own that, and you still you feel beautiful, and you know you're beautiful, not just because someone else tells you it, but because you truly believe it, it just hit different, right? The fourth thing that I like to talk about that helped me build confidence is choosing style of clothing that I love, and not because it's trending. I like flannels, you know, I'll show you flannels that have like different prints, you know. I like things that sparkle. I like things that really, you know, are just dramatic. I like things that are very comfortable, you know, and learning to not dress like everybody else because everybody else is dressing a certain way. Learning to embrace that I have a certain style and that I love to drift to, that I just love, you know, in general, and that it works on me. Learning to embrace that you are different and that your style is different. You know, some people like the emo look. Some people like the, you know, country girl look. Some people like the mixture. Some people like, you know, just different things. And when you embrace the things that you truly love, not because everybody else is saying that this is nice and this is what everyone else is wearing. When you wear what you want to wear because you know you love it and it just resembles you and it makes you feel fully confident, that helps build confidence. And that's something that I've done, is just stick to my style, not wearing things because she's wearing it, or not wearing it because they get more attraction to them because of they wear stuff like this. If I don't want to wear that, I'm not wearing that. Whatever makes me feel confident and beautiful and comfortable is what I'm gonna wear. So thank you. We're gonna leave that at that. Like I said, if you get it, you get it. Okay. Another thing that I practice, you know, the fifth thing that I practice is doing activities that I love to do. I recommend you guys doing the same things. Doing things that help you boost your confidence, certain activities. I said this in one of my past videos, but I really want to pick up roller skating because something about roller skating, if you get good at it, it just looks really nice. You can dance, you can express yourself in different ways, and it just helps you boost confidence. So for me, I want to pick up certain activities. You know, I used to have trouble reading, you know, out loud and stuff like that. So I bought books that helps me practice read so I can read fluently without stuttering and having issues, you know, every single sentence. I've had those problems before. Still kind of do, but I've accepted it. It's a part of who I am, and I'm not perfect, so it's gonna be okay. I've done things, I've bought things, I've put things in my life where it's gonna help me boost confidence in areas where I'm not so confident, and there's nothing wrong with not being confident right now, but working towards being confident is a plus, and I do it for myself, and I recommend you do it too. The sixth thing that I recommend doing that I've practiced on that helped me with confidence is walking into rooms with your head up. Your posture is everything. I am not joking about this. It just screams confident. 9 times out of 10, if you go anywhere, you'll see people walking around, you know, and then when people get around, they'll put their head down or try to avoid eye contact or try to look at their phone. Something about making eye contact just tells someone that you are not afraid. You know who you are, you know what you stand for, and you're not afraid to tell people what it is. And keeping your head up, it just something about you just magnifies at that point, you know. And if your head's down, you're like, oh, I'm shy. It's just a symbol of shyness. But when you have your head up, you also notice other people that notice you. Other people start looking at you, they think you're gonna put your head down, but you make eye contact, they're like, oh shoot, let me get out the way. Something about just having your head up, good posture, showing people that, you know, head up, not head down. The last thing, the seventh thing that I practice on, that is very important to me, that I would love to share with you guys, is learning how to not take the aesthetic of the world and making it a part of yours. learning to take what you want to take, but not taking everything, not consuming everything, and just, you know, you start mimicking exactly that. Because how will you be different? How will you be you? How will you truly know who you are if you're just doing everything that everybody else is doing, or you're looking the way that everybody else is looking? Nowadays, nobody, in my opinion, and please take this with a grain of salt, looks real. You know, there are people, you know, here and there that look real, but how often do you see people feeling confident enough to make a video, you know, with their acne out? They feel like the aesthetic is your face got to be clear, your skin's got to shine, your lips got to gloss, your eyelashes got to be so long. You know, these are aesthetics that, you know, us women have done to each other. We make each other feel like we are supposed to be shaped like this. We're supposed to smell like that. We're supposed to look like this. We're supposed to have these type of hairstyles. Like, and if you don't like those things, you don't need to do those things. Be confident within yourself. If it makes you happy doing things this way, doing it that way. Take what you want from the world and leave the rest in the trash. I really hope today you guys will start building some confidence. Don't let your teeth, your acne, your eyelashes, your forehead, big forehead or not, don't let your hairstyle, I need to get some new braids, I do now. Don't let those things affect you. Don't let those things, you know, steal your joy. Don't let people tell you you're supposed to look like this, or why do you look like that, or what, you know, don't let any of that even get in the way of your confidence. To me, like I said, confidence is when you own who you are. You own what you stand for. You know what you stand for. You know yourself. And even the things you're not sure about yourself, just knowing that it's okay, you know, and you're gonna know someday. But just being strong to who you are and not letting the world push you around to become something else you're not. But other than that, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.